the 7 Y sounds in English language. Y sound in Y, lawyer, youth, yam, beyond, canyon. Y sound in I, view, view, onion, onion, savior, savior, opinion, opinion, opinionated, opinionated. Y sound in UE, due, due, revenue, avenue, argue, subdue, barbecue, barbecue. Y sound in U, fury, fury, failure, failure, abuse, abuse, huge, huge, endure, endure, duty. Y sound in EW, pew, pew, feel, feel, you, nephew, nephew, heel, spew, spew. Y sound in EU, field, field, Europe, Europe, adieu, adieu, euphemism, euphemism, Eucharist, eureka, eulogy. Y sound in EAU, beauty, beauty, beautiful, beautiful, beautifully, beautifully, beautify, beautify, beautification, beautification. Thanks for listening. Good luck with your English studies. Love you. Bye for now.